And this video was from the dust storm that was coming across parts of Kansas. And it just really shows you just how hazardous some of these weather systems can really be. I mean, with that dust storm there, you'll notice that you can barely see in front of you. Visibility was cut down to about a quarter of a mile. This was sent in to us by one of the Kansas state troopers out there. So thank you, one, for your service. And then two, I mean, thank you also for providing this video and showing us just how dangerous some of these storms are. I mean, with this type of system here, we saw a lot of wind, Britta, and we saw a lot of damage. And as the sun comes up this morning, we anticipate seeing quite a bit more damage that came from this system.